leg side. He picked up the... this one will be 6 all the way, drifting onto the pads. And that's a big one, top tier as well.
Straight at him. This is short and pulled away nicely. This will make him feel good. This might not go to the boundary.
That won't help his mood either. That's another half a dozen. Over mid-wicket.
Up his sleeve as well. Each ball. 4. Outside edge. We saw Kane Williamson do that. Now...
Big shot, 6. Pick the length early. Oh, what a good shot that is. Great piece of timing. They want to control the lift. Has gone up in the air. Chance not to be. Just... Well, he's got the option right. Fakhar Zaman this time. It's a straight... Plays the cut shot, plays it brilliantly. What a good shot that is. 50 comes up for Fakhar Zaman. Big shot, that's gone, and goes big again. It's flat and 6 again. You beauty.
He's got him. He's got him, Big. That's top tier stuff again. He is clubbing it. I mean, one more. My point. 3 back. Just far enough. Sandler's a tall man, and just for a second he